Hello everyone, Nick from StruSoft here. Welcome to yet another tip of the week. So this week we have the tip with a whopper of a title, Snapshots and Erection Simulating, Sharing with your clients and partners. This is all about sharing some information with someone you're not maybe in a video meeting with, they don't have access to Impact. You just want to quickly share something and update something like this with them on a quick email or message. So how do we do this in a nice, tidy, good-looking way? Well, I'm going to show you two examples, one with snapshot and the other one with the erection sequence simulating. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it. I'm looking at my screen over here. And as you can see, we have our little building here. There's some different statuses. But as we look at it right now, this is how it looks inside Impact, the way we want it to perform and so on when we're working with it. So what I can do is I can use the snapshot function. Let me just take the path here so it's easy for you guys to see where it is afterwards. And say I want 5 times the resolution of this standard image and just create it. Then we should be able to go in here in our Pathfinder to find the image that we just printed. So here we have it. And you can already see now that the edges and so on are much smoother. And you can see if I zoom in a bit that the quality is actually great for this. So this is great. We can send this to a customer on an email. So what about the next thing then? What about the erection sequencing? Well, of course you can simulate it in here in Impact, but maybe you want to send something that's not an Impact to your client. So what you want to do is, first of all, I'm gonna go back to here to get it ready to do the erection sequencing, and then I'm just gonna do like a small free GIF recording software where we can say, well, just record this part of the screen. You can see mine was called Screen to GIF. There's tons of these type of softwares. I'll press record, play, and then this small GIF software will record everything that's being done. And then afterward, we can just simply save it as a file, send it in an email as well. So I'll just pause it here. We'll stop this one, and it'll open up here. So this one here, now we can simply save this one as a GIF file anywhere we want to save it, and then send it to the customer again on his email. So very, very quick to get information out from Impact, in this case, visual information, and sent to the customer. So that's it for this tip of the week. See you guys in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.